Good morning. The interior design team is here, so we're gonna do it before, starting with the entryway, as this is one of the parts. All right. Okay, before and after of the entry. Before and after of, you doing the kitchen too or no? Before and after of this kitchen. It's not bad. It's not. It's just. I could clean. Y'all can go ahead and start. All right. Guest room. All right. So just to update, we are about to head to the store to get some things, and then head back to the house. The living room is kind of like set up. The guest bedroom is gonna turn into like a game chill lounge type area for Andre, so that's exciting. But yeah, so we got some stuff to do, some stuff to pick up, but I will show y'all like a finished product look, like half finished product look. But like, welcome to the series of making my apartment into we at Rose. It's hot. I got clothes. It's cold in my house. But I still got my cleaning clothes on. But yeah. All right, and this is the after. You're fine. All right, this is the guest room. Ooh. Ooh. It's okay, this is the guest room so far, and then we also did some touch-ups to the bathroom. I'm gonna get copyrighted like a mug. Then we have my room. This is so far what our room is looking like. Okay. And then yeah, very cutesy, very cutesy. Make sure y'all book my aunt. Book my aunt. Thank you.